Welcome to the pre-market analysis. Let's start with Nifty 50. The market opened today with a little gap up, and also the today's open price and high price is same. The open price and low price is same. As we discussed earlier in the videos, if the opening price and high price is same, there will be a selling signal, and likewise if the opening price and low price is equal, there could be some buy signal. This is not a kind of strategy, this is kind of a probability. Most probably on this kind of scenario, the market will be acting on a bullish side. So the opening price and low price is 15,776.9 and the market moved higher to the 15,839 price range and hit our target the resistance area and started falling, and the market closed around the price range of 15,730, which is 47 points lower from the opening price. Okay, so is this a trend reversal? We are not sure about that. Then how would we take the trade for tomorrow? Let me change to 30 minutes time frame so that we could get a clear view. So you could see that the market's resistance is here and support is here, and you could see previously the market has huge momentum, bearish momentum on this area. Whenever the market reaches this price level, it gives a bearish momentum up to the support area and sometimes to the sub demand zone area. Okay, so how could we take the trade tomorrow? If the market opens flats, there are three scenarios. The market can be open flat or gap up or gap down. If the market opens flat, wait for the price action. If the market opens flat and forms a bullish candle, a 5 minutes candle or a 15 minutes candle, forms a bullish candle, keep that candle's lower stop loss and your target might be the resistance again. If the market opens flat or gap down, wait for this region to break. It means the candle has to close below this region. Why I have mentioned this region? You could see that most of the time the market has rejected on this area, but whenever it crosses this region, it directly goes to the support area or the demand area. Okay, and until now I will not prefer you to make any selling, because you could see that selling does not happens most successful on these areas, but the market recovered very fastly. So to be a better trader, you could wait for a buying opportunity. As a day trader, we no need to trade daily, we have to trade on the opportunities. Even though the market opens gap down and gives a huge fall, I will suggest you not to take any trades, because on tomorrow's Thursday also, it's an weekly options expiry. So wait for the opportunity. Let the market falls, we will take the buy area when a bullish candle patterns forms. You should not, whenever the market reaches support area, you don't need to take the buying opportunity. You have to wait for the confirmation. If the market closes and you get a bullish engulfing, or you get a spinning top and then you get a tweezers bottom, that kind of candle patterns, if you got the candle patterns, you could go for a buy. Even the market forms a bullish candles and moves up and returns back, wait for the second confirmation. You will get a second confirmation most of the time, and after the second confirmation also you could go for a buying opportunity. But I will not suggest you to take any selling orders tomorrow, because selling, I don't prefer selling around this area, because most probably the bulls are stronger here, because the support areas and demand zones are bullish areas. So going for a sell is not a suggestible. Go for buy. Wait for the price to come to the support or to the demand zone, and then you could go for a buy. That will be a very safer entry. Okay, and apart from that, I will tell you something. We could see a pattern over here. Earlier in our videos, we have discussed about the broadening pattern that formed on early stage, and it got a breakout on that day only. It hit the demand zone, and likewise we also seems to looks another pattern over here, which is Yes, this is called as a diamond pattern. Every breakout pattern is nothing but there is some consolidation. The market hits a support and resistance. Every pattern has its own support and resistance. The market will be traveling in between that support and resistance for a time period, and then it gives a breakout with a good momentum. You could see that. Let me change it to 1 hour time frame. Okay, you could see that the market had made a huge consolidation over here, then started its uptrend, and now it's again it is in a consolidation stage. You could see that from 3rd June till now, nearly 1 month, the market is traveling inside this region. So we could expect a very good momentum on the upcoming trading sessions. It may be happen tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and also on next week. Even this diamond pattern could expand, but there is a probability of some huge momentum over here. So this is for Nifty 50. Let's move to Bank Nifty. Yes, the Bank Nifty is also opened at the price range of 35,000 and made a high of 35,213 and closed around 34,780, which is 221 points lower than the opening price. Okay, so market hit at the resistance area and started falling. Now it is nearby support area. So as usual, we have to wait for the price action. We have to wait for the buying opportunity. Even the market opens flat and gives a bullish candle, you could go for a buy. You could go for a buy, and you could see our next target will be 35,000, and after 35,000 it might be 35,150. And if the market opens flat and closes with a negative candle, let the market fall to support, you will get another buying opportunity. Even it doesn't form a bullish candle, it will hit the demand zone, and then you will get a buying opportunity. Because as I said earlier, support area and demand zone area is for a bullish area. We should only take the buy signal in this area. And it is also roughly forming a kind of diamond pattern, but not like Nifty. But Nifty forms a very good diamond pattern formation. There could be some huge momentum breakout on the upcoming trading sessions. Hope we will catch that and make it huge profits. Okay, so this is all about the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you all like the video. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading. Thank you.